Hello guys, so today we are going to unbox Keywe door locks, a brand from Korea. They're manufacturing their products in Korea also. A Keywe Deadbolt lock 2000D series. Okay, so it's a deadbolt lock, which is let's say your house got a deadbolt lock, you want to exchange it also can, no problem. So let's get started. So here come the unboxing. These boxes, I think it's believe is all the screw and accessories parts. We get it to see later. We just take everything out first. So okay, this is the back panel. Okay, the back panel for the door locks, and this is the front panel. Okay, the front panel for the Keywe 2000D series, the deadbolt lock. Okay, this is a deadbolt. Okay, this is the screen and this is the keyhole. So keyhole, screen here. So take here first, and then there's a booklet here also. Okay, this is a user guide, I think. So this is the front panel for the door locks, and it's we call it as a fiery red color. This one is a very solid design. Okay, and then you can see this is the screen, the logo of Keywe, and this is the emergency key, the master key. And the back panel, here comes this is the back panel. The back panel comes with battery cover. Okay, and then this is the button that we can just press and unlock the door, or there's a manual thumb turn, because thumb turn to turn the bolt up, in and out. Okay, so four pieces of alkaline battery here. So this is the front and the back panel, and then this is a booklet. Okay, the booklet comes with the function. They will lay down the master code, user, two-factor authentications. Okay, and they will teach you all about the setting, how to registration for the master code, OTP code, and also the registration for the card. So this is all the user guide. Make sure that you need to click it properly, so in case you need to do some setting also, you can make it. So this is the installation guide. Installation guide is they will guide you through what tools you needed on your site, and also the door, the hole, what measurement you need for the hole, and then how near is it. So they will teach you all about here. Okay, this is the installation guide, and also this one is a warranty card, and the Z-Wave information, which is for the smart home connection, and then a simple guide, and this is the actual dimension for the installation. Okay, so you can just follow by this if you want to do a DIY installation. So this is all the information inside the box. Okay, and here comes the accessories part. Okay, so here comes the sensor. This sensor is the sensor, magnetic sensor, will be on your frame. This one will be on the door locks. So when the door is closed and then the bolt will coming out, means that they will lock. This is the auto lock sensor, a sensor that you need to install on your door locks here. And this is the I believe is accessories also. Okay, this is also a steel one, and this is the deadbolt, the latch. Okay, and all the accessories that you screw that you needed during your installation. Okay, And here comes, this is we call it as a striker. So this side is the deadbolt. This is the main lock, the deadbolt lock. Okay, so this is like this. This is on your frame, and then this is here on a lock. So when the lock is coming out, they will shoot inside these things. Okay, so this is a deadbolt. So same, 4 pieces of AA alkali battery. Okay, alkali battery. Three pieces of emergency key. Okay, this key can be duplicate, at our store also. So this one no problem, but make sure that you don't lose it, or else you need to change it. You need to change the whole cylinder. Okay, so here comes again. There's some cards. So this is the same, the access card for the door locks itself. Okay, the Keywe keypad. So let's see how this lock works. So the things is like, this is a front panel. So this is the back panel. So the lock going on this part, like this, and then they go through the back side. So the back part, you need to make sure that your parts is doing this. Okay, so when you turn it on and off, the lock will come out. So this is a part. This is a lock. We call it as a deadbolt lock. Okay. So the back panel. The deadbolt lock. The front panel. And also all the accessories parts will be included together. So for this lock, for the Keywe's 2000D series, they can register for password, RFID card, key, Bluetooth connections, Z-Wave connection. They can also access. Okay, so it can means that you can use your Bluetooth to press and unlock these door locks. Also can password also can register for up to 20 record, and also access card can up to 20 record also. Okay, key got 3 pieces, come with 3 pieces of key. So if let's say you're interested on using on your Airbnb unit or your personal house or maybe your rented unit, you can just, this one is suitable because this one is without the fingerprint one. Password, card, key, and apps. Okay, so if let's say you're interested, you can just PM us for more information. Thank you so much. Bye bye.